A Toy Unboxers production.
Now we will unbox Tail Battler that is made by Takara Tomy. This one is the Cobalt Thunder. It is a speed type and it is for ages 6 years old and above. So this has a rotating power that drives through the rod, and then when you turn the handle, it generates destructive swing attack around the tail and attack the opponent's head. So let's look at the back of the box. This is the instruction. The instruction is written on the box. So let's unbox it. So this is the sticker, and then let's remove this from the packaging. This playset includes one handle and then 3 rods and the head and then the tail and 4 locking parts plus the sticker. Okay, so let's connect it. This is the locking part. Install the locking part to the rod. Pay attention to the direction. So it should be like this, and then connect it, and then connect the rods like this. Okay, so now it's locked, and then connect another one. Pay attention to the direction like this, then insert it, then connect the rod and push. Okay, and then install the rod to the main unit. This is the main unit, the head and the tail. But first, let's connect the head and the tail. Put the head to the center of the toy and insert the tail. This. There, this is the Cobalt Thunder and it is speed type. Now we will connect the rod to the main unit. Put the locking part and then connect this to the main unit and push. And then install the handle to the rod. This is the handle. Again, put the locking part and then connect the handle. Okay, so it's like a fishing rod. This is how long it is. There. So how do we play this? The force that you generate with the handle drives through the rod. The force that you generate with the handle drives through the rod. And then you charge your power by turning the handle fast. Powerful attack. Then you swing around the tail and aim at your opponent's head. You lose when
Turn
your
the
tail
handle
battler's
back
tail comes off.
for powerful attack.
So this is called the tail destruction. The tail comes off when gets slapped on the head. Turning the handle generates destructive attack. Swing around the tail and attack, and then aim at your opponent's head. The one who masterly hits the other's head and blows off its tail will win the fight. Make sure that the starting position of your tail battler's head is like this, because if it sways to the left or to the right, the tail will come off like this. See? Because the goal is for your opponent to slap your tail battler's face. Let's try it on the other side. Tail will come off. So this is the correct starting position. So that's it. This is the Cobalt Thunder Speed Type Tail Battler made by Takara Tomy.
Excited to watch the latest toy unboxing? Subscribe now. It's free.